Hey guys, in this video we will be looking at proving trigonometric identities. So here's our first question, which is to prove that 1 minus cos squared of x is equal to cos squared of x multiplied by tan squared of x. So basically guys, what we have to do is we have to make the two sides equal each other, so like they have to look the same. So first of all, we can change the left side of this. Okay, let's have this. So we can change this side, guys. So remember, sine squared of x plus cos squared of x is equal to 1. So sine squared of x plus cos squared of x is equal to 1, guys. That means that if we move the cos squared to the other side, this will become 1 minus cos squared x is equal to sine squared of x. So this guy, we can rewrite this guy as sine squared of x, guys. Now let's look at the right side. So right side we have cos squared x times tan squared x. We can rewrite this as cos squared of x multiplied by, what's tan squared of x, guys? Tan squared of x can become sine x over cos x, and then we square the whole thing because it's tan squared. Now this will become cos squared x multiplied by sine squared x over cos squared x, guys. And at the bottom, the cos squared x will cancel out, so that means this will just become sine squared of x. But wait guys, we have sine squared of x on this side and sine squared of x on this side. So that means we can say that sine squared of x is equal to, because this equal sign comes to the bottom, is equal to sine squared of x. Alright guys, so our basically left side is equal to right side. So we just prove that this trigonometric equation is true. Alright guys, here's our second problem. We have to prove that secant of x multiplied by 1 plus cos of x is equal to 1 plus secant of x. So let's first distribute, let's draw a line first here, and let's distribute the secant x. So this will be secant x plus secant x cos of x. Now guys, secant of x can be written as 1 over cos of x, so we can say that secant of x plus secant of x, and then multiply by 1, no matter guys, yeah, this will be 1 over cos of x. Multiply by cos of x, and if these cancel out, this will become secant of x plus, this becomes a 1 and multiplied by 1, so this will just be 1 secant of x plus 1, and this is also secant of x plus 1, guys, so they're equal, so left side is equal to right side. So therefore, we just proved that this equation is true. Alright guys, here's our last problem. We have to prove this equation right here. So let's draw a line in the middle again, and I think the first step should be to multiply the left side by its conjugate to get rid of the bottom. So 1 plus sine x and 1 plus sine x. And guys, the tip for solving these types of problems is to practice them a lot so that you get a hang of them, because like all of them are different, so they have different ways of solving. You have different ways of solving these types of problems, so you gotta practice a lot. So in this case, we have to multiply. One way to do it is we multiply the bottom by its conjugate, so 1 plus sine x to the bottom and to the top. So if we simplify that, we distribute the top. No, actually, let's leave the top, guys. Let's rewrite the top, cos x multiplied by 1 plus sine x, and if we distribute the bottom, calculate that, then we will get 1 plus sine x minus sine x, and then lastly minus sine squared x. Then if we simplify the bottom, oh no wait guys, simplify, oh no wait, yeah, if we simplify the bottom, these will cancel out, so 1 minus sine squared of x over cos of x, 1 plus sine x. Alright guys, now what is 1 minus, so sine squared of x plus cos squared of x is equal to 1, guys. So that means that cos squared of x is equal to 1 minus sine squared of x. So basically, we can rewrite this guy as cos squared of x. And let's do that, guys. So that'll be cos squared of x, and then this will be it. And cosine x can cancel out the squared sign here, so this will just become 1 plus sine x over cosine x. But what's on the right side, guys? 1 plus sine x over cosine x. So if we bring that down, 1 plus sine x over cosine x, they are equal. So basically, left side is equal to right side. Therefore, we just proved that this equation is true, guys. This will be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe.